Today's 5 Things You Need to Know is brought to you by Power Credit Union, proudly serving Southern Colorado.
It's Wednesday, November 25th, the day before Thanksgiving. I'm Ira Cronin. This is a News 5 update. Springs police releasing some surveillance photos yesterday of a man suspected of robbing a local bank last week. They say the man, dressed in all black with a yellow safety vest and yellow mask, walked into the Key Bank on North Academy last Tuesday demanding money. They ask anyone who might know anything, contact Springs police. With the Thanksgiving holiday upon us, Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Officials asking everyone, heed the warnings of the current COVID data in our community. Be safe this year. The governor says it's likely worth sacrificing seeing family and friends that do not live in your household in order to have more holidays with them in the future. U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar says if all goes well, the nation could be distributing a vaccine soon. As soon as December 10th, I should say. The initial shipment will consist of more than 6 million doses, with as many as 40 million available by the start of the new year. And we know Colorado involved in a test run also. Pueblo used some CARES Act money to buy 14 portable patios for 5 different restaurants. The city has $1 million available for businesses impacted by the pandemic. This should help them expand into some outdoor dining, eating. Certainly, that's a challenge as we head into the colder months. And speaking of the cold and the weather, let's check with meteorologist Alan Rose.
Yeah, this is true, Ira, and it's been very cold this morning in southern Colorado. Some spots starting out in the single digits, many other areas in the teens. The good news this afternoon is that highs will be nice and pleasant, so there could be some outdoor dining, I'd say, around the Springs, Canyon City to Pueblo. Look at those Eastern Plains numbers today, into the upper 50s, Lamar east into Springfield. Lows tonight, not as cold as last night, mainly dropping down to the 20s. A few colder spots in the mountain valleys, down to the single digits and teens.
Thank you for listening to today's 5 Things You Need to Know, sponsored by Power Credit Union.